Welcome to Family Camping with Coleman and the Chicago Park District. Each Friday in August, we will present camping tips and tricks to help you have great adventures with friends and family outdoors. I'm Liz Holley, the Camping Program Specialist with the Chicago Park District. This week, we'll help you pack for a great family hike. A family hike can be great for stretching your legs and experiencing nature together. It is important to be safe. Always tell a person who is not going hiking with you where you are going and how long you expect to be gone. You should bring water, a small snack, sunscreen, bug spray, a rain jacket or poncho, a map, and a watch. It is important to be protected from the elements and to know where you are going and how long you have been traveling. It is best to try to end your hike before dusk. Hiking in an unfamiliar territory after dark is an easy way to get lost. It's always a great idea to bring a Coleman Kids Nature Kit to help you find some interesting things along the way. Nature kits include a bug viewer, hand lens, and telescope. Be sure to try out these tools and get used to them before using them on your hike. Hand lenses can be used to observe something more closely without picking it up or moving it. The bug viewer allows you to place a bug inside and view from the top and bottom. Be careful when handling bugs and return them to their natural habitat as soon as possible. Being out of their soil or their habitat for too long or too often can be damaging to a bug. A good way to care for bugs and all living things is to disturb as little nature as possible on your hike. Giving plants and animals the space they need is important. The telescope can be used for viewing stars, but it can also be used for faraway viewing to help you stay on trail. It is important to remember to respect wildlife in their habitats. Some tips for this are leaving things where you found them. You may carefully touch and observe if you feel comfortable, but be sure to leave animals in their natural home. Do not feed animals. This includes hand feeding a wild animal, but also leaving food or garbage behind. Animals do best in the wild when they find their own natural source of food that doesn't include granola or garbage. Staying on trail helps protect plants and the animals that like to eat them. On your hike, some great places to find nature without going too far off trail can be under rocks or logs. Be careful when turning these things over. Avoid lifting rocks or logs that are too heavy. Also avoid touching any bugs or organisms you're unfamiliar with. Also on a hike, be sure to use more than just your sense of sight. Listen for bugs, streams, and the wind. Use your sense of touch to feel how smooth or rough the bark is on different trees. Take the time to take deep breaths and think about if the air in the prairie or the forest smells different from that in the city. We hope your family has a great time hiking and exploring nature. Thank you for joining us for Family Camping with Coleman in the Chicago Park District. Join us next week for a campfire story. To learn more about the Coleman equipment included in today's video, please visit coleman.com. For more summer park programs and activities, please visit chicagoparkdistrict.com. Share your images or video of your camping experience with us on the Chicago Park District social media for a chance to be featured.